up? Check out this new ceiling fan I just put in my recreational room, also known as the Zone. This is a vintage ceiling fan from 1986. A cool antique brass ceiling fan that I just put in this room this weekend. It is a beauty, a beautiful brass ceiling fan, and it looks real good. Goes great with the house, considering how old it is. My house was built in 1979, and I'm trying to keep this place old school and have old furniture and appliances and shit. Partying like it's 1989, you know. I'm high on DXM, 180 milligrams of DXM, and I smoked some weed. I'm feeling good as fuck right now, even though I've got no water. And here's also something pretty cool. This light still works, even though I had a leak coming from it. It still works. And this fan is so much quieter than the old one. Buzzed and shit, and it wobbled. It was shot to hell, and it was also kind of ugly. I love this brass ceiling fan. It looks so cool. Yeah, let's turn this thing on. Yeah, it's the high speed. It's kind of quiet, a little bit noisy, but damn it, it's so gorgeous. That brass plating looks so lovely. It really does. Yeah, the DXM's kind of making me hot. I'm kind of cool, so I kind of wanted to come in here and cool off and shit. As well, you know, just have this new ceiling fan just... Oh man, it's so gorgeous and it works so well. It's not flimsy and shit like the old one was. But yeah, the old ceiling fan I had was just... Ugh, it would need to be replaced. And it was a down rod, not a hugger like this one was, and the little thing at the end was like... My head, like the top of my head, would come really close to it, which is kind of freaky to say the least. But yeah, this is such a cool looking, nice, cool ceiling fan. And it's old school. I know it's not exactly in style, but I had to get this particular kind of ceiling fan for this house because I'm trying to keep this house looking all nice and old school. And I thought it was going to come with a light because I bought this off eBay. And on the box it had a light, but I guess I could buy like some separate light kit. But it's not really a big deal because I got this little fluorescent light over here. Though this thing right here, I don't believe that light fixture right there is original because I actually have the original blueprints for this house. And this little light fixture is not on it. But there was a on the diagram there, on the blueprints, there was a thing for this fixture right here, which this fan is attached to. So this was probably a main fixture. And the old fan was kind of fucked up, like there was wiring that was fucked up. If you've seen my house tour video, the wiring in it was kind of like, it looked kind of messed up and shit. And I couldn't put a bulb in. I tried to put a bulb in, sparks flew. And so I decided that fan needed to be, you know, replaced, so I got this thing right here. And I think I might get like if I can find a nice brass light kit, I'll replace the light here, so that way I can have this black light right here, and it can light up that black light poster right there and that black light poster right there. It'll be so cool, it'll be so trippy. Matter of fact, actually, we can close this door. Turn that light off. Turn that light on, you can see how this room looks with that light on. And then, if we plug in this lamp, we can see how the blacklight posters look. If we turn this off, doesn't that look sweet? I don't know if it really shows up that well, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Guess I got a little disco ball thing right there. but I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this light back on. But yeah, I mean, this room's really coming together. I kind of try to make this room kind of like try to make it look like the bedroom of a teenager from like the 80s or some shit. That's kind of what I do, except there's really no bed. I mean, I've got this vintage Emerson TV from 1987, complete with an Atari 7800 and a television flashback and a Super Nintendo. And it comes... I also got this little converter box thing, but I was having trouble with it earlier. I have had it work before, but I don't know. I was meeting a friend. I had a friend over last night, and we tried to watch some TV, and it didn't like work. I think I just had some shit fucked up or something. I also got a VCR. I got a decent amount of VHS tapes, and I also do have an Action Max somewhere around here. I think it's in that thing right over there. It's a pretty unique game system, to say the least. But yeah, this room is pretty sweet. Just trying to, just doing a bit of home improvement. Still don't have the pipes fixed, but at least I got the fan fixed. But I should have a plumber coming out for that. But at least I'm doing some things in order to make this place, make this place really cool and shit. That's about it. That's a snapshot of me high, and this is a snapshot of me on DXM. I don't know if my pupils really show it, but they may or may not be dilated right now. Idea. Actually,